Ladies and gentlemen, comes your referee out for this match. Apparently, this is an impromptu UCWA World Heavyweight title match. The one that deserves the title shot is sitting over in that chair, though, in my opinion. I still think she deserves it. It's bottom line. He's been dodging her for months, years. There he is, the challenger, ladies and gentlemen. He is the Dark Wolf, Logan Price. And here comes the champion himself. Paper champion, in my opinion, but then.
Hey, Ryder, I'm up for my rematch.
Yes, you're finally getting it right here. There comes the champion out. Some call him a jerk. Other people call him jackass. I call him a Willie. And I call him Nicole Dodger is what I call him. That's his name. Nicole Dodger. Yes, I agree. There's the Dickie. Well, you actually have a world title belt, brother.
I didn't get my rematch for that one, Robert.
That you didn't. You actually did not. I agree.
All right, gentlemen, you ready?
This is for the world heavyweight title, ladies and gentlemen. Sylvia's on the line in this one. Ding, ding, ding. Here we go. Oh, look at this. He runs in and DDTs him off the bat. What? That fast? No. I didn't think he'd get him that quick. He caught him off guard with that DDT, though. Man, Willie comes out blazing early here. And now he's going. And now look at he's punching him. Now look at this, punching him some more with the forearm smashes. Another forearm smash. There's another. There's a knee. Another knee. Price is down here a little bit. Oh, super kicks him. Dang, that was a shot. He's going for another pin. That was only a 1 count. I think he may have woke him up a little bit here, ladies and gentlemen. He caught him off guard today when coming in that move first. Now, here we go. Now, there's a cone elbow tie up here a little bit. Here we go. There's an arm wringer. Down he goes. Look at it. There's a headlock. Now Willie trying to show him off. Couldn't.
What do you say, Willie? What do you say, Willie?
He has oh, look at this. He reverses it. Nice move. He reversed it. But Logan reverses as well. Oh, look at this. Trying to take a, look like he's trying to do a takedown here. Oh! That's like a jawbreak stunner-like move. Oh, here he goes. The rolling senton. He got him with it. And he's going for a pin. Harold Roberts has been proud of that move there. He used to do it a lot.
Fuck Harold Roberts.
No, he cusses Roberts.
What do you say?
Yeah. Oh, look. That was close. 2 count.
What do you say, Price?
He's still got the smashing move on him here. He cussed Harold Roberts. I didn't do it. Don't shoot me. Look at this. Couple of knees. Look at this. He's breaking him a hold of. He broke it up here. What up? The match continues here. Oh, Jackson's down here, ladies and gentlemen. He's in trouble. Oh, he's down in the blanket here. Look at this. And Logan obliges him. He shows him over.
Where's that fight that everybody else had? Oh wait, you don't have it.
Ooh. Trash talking has begun. Oh. Oh, no. He ain't coming back here. Look at this. He's trying to come back. Oh, a clothesline. It's like a spinning clothesline there.
Oh!
Ooh, they double clothesline. Will goes down to one knee, but Logan does not go down. There's a spin knee kick. Nailed him right in the gut with it. Nice move. Oh, he just moves out of the way. Oh, Superman punch. Now he's going to pick him up. Is this it? Oh, look at this.
Look familiar.
Oh. Ooh. Cross-face punches. Forearm smashes to the side of the face region there. Oh, he grabbed the title belt, then got nailed with come in with like a shoulder-like tackle. He tried to spear him, I do believe. Yeah. I don't, oh, look at this. He's got him over on the, what's this? Is he going to slam him on the tree? What? He puts him over. All he did, he slammed. He put his knees onto the tree over there. That's down. Rain is beginning to pick up here again here in Glade Spring, Virginia. About 7 minutes ago. And now Logan Price has jumped up. Look at this. Oh, nice. A jumping knee off the tree. He nailed him with it. That could be it. He's out. He's not moving. Yeah. There's another knee to the chest. That was. Now look at that. Oh, is he going for the ripcord? There, he got him with it. Oh, he's going for the choke slam. I heard this might be his new finishing move, ladies and gentlemen. What's going on here? What the heck is going on here? These two have a rivalry going on here. Look at this. Hunter Blade's out here, ladies and gentlemen. And Logan's just staring him down here. And he walks away. No, he does not. He's trying to figure out what to do here. Oh, he kicks him. Oh, he got him. He got him with the... Oh, look at this. Oh, my God. He's going to nail him with his finishing move. Oh, my God. Oh, he kicked out, though. He kicked out of the finisher. He kicked out of the finisher. Oh, no. And Hunter Blade can't play. Neither can the referee. I thought it was over right there. Oh, and he's going for another choke slam. Oh, he kicked out. He kicked out of the choke slam. I can't believe that. Oh, the curb stomps him on top of the champion here. He did the blade stomp on him. Uh-oh. Oh, look at this. He reverses. Oh, he kicks out again. What's he going to do here to end this guy? And he's going for another choke slam. Another choke slam here. Another pin.
1, 2.
No.
Want to count again? 1, 2, 3. Ring the bell.
We got a new world champion here, ladies and gentlemen. I can't believe this just happened. What the heck just happened here? We have a new world heavyweight champion, ladies and gentlemen. Jackson has lost the world title here.
That all you got, Logan? I still got more in the tank.
Did you hear that pipsqueak?
Yeah, I heard him. Yes, I did.
You know what? Rematch. If he wins, that title victory didn't count.
Oh my God! So the match continues. The match continues here. Look at this. What's he gonna do here? Is he gonna do a? I thought he was gonna. Oh, look at this! He's got a roll up. He has a. He pins him. Oh my God! He rolls him up and pins him. He rolled him up and pinned him. I cannot believe this. Logan won the. Well, I guess you're wearing the match and still your UCWA World Heavyweight Champion.